How to delete OneDrive folder. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to delete the folder on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to delete the folder, tap onto Files right here. Select it. Now from here you can simply find the folders that you want to delete. Now simply locate the file just like this and then tap onto three dot lines at the right, just right here. Select it. Then here you can find delete right here. Simply tap on it and simply confirm it once again to delete this item. And now you can see the file has been deleted. And that's it. This is how you can delete the OneDrive folder. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.